Today, on Earth Day, we are very proud to be signing a Memorandum of Understanding for the transfer of the land that we are sitting on this morning to the Aruba Conservation Foundation for the establishment of Aruba's first Marine Conservation Center. It's a moment we've been working years towards, with every step taken along the way very meaningful and bringing us closer to this moment.
This ground is a very special location because if we just turn our back, we see our katushi, we see our tunas, we see our kui, and you see how it transfers into the mangroves and gets into the ocean where we have our corals, we have our conch and our fishes. And that connection somewhat, sometimes we oversee that it is all part of a biological aspect of life and that the one cannot without the other. And what we are going to do here with the Marine Conservation Park is exactly that. Create the circumstances that our life on the sea as well as our life on Earth can continue as it was planned by our Creator, being protected, having the opportunity to grow and to flourish.
Healthy corals are really, really important. We cannot overemphasize this, actually. Aruba's corals have had a very tough time over the last decades. Any of us going underwater, swimming, snorkeling, diving, or even fishing can see the changes in our marine environment. So marine conservation is crucial in this day and age as we come to realize how much we depend on nature. So on this Earth Day, we could not have a bigger celebration than what we are witnessing today, the start of a coordinated and collaborated marine conservation for Aruba. A really, truly unique moment. So we're very, very grateful again for everyone who has made this happen.
We are confronting a situation in Aruba and in the world that there's on one side a demand for more development, physical development. We see that very clearly in Aruba. We have a demand for thousands of houses, renovation of our roads. We have seen a deterioration of nature in so many aspects. There's a demand for doing a lot of that. But there is clear, like the Prime Minister said, voices telling us, do not forget nature. But that's where it all starts. And without a good, healthy nature, whatever we do in infrastructure will not stand, will not hold, will not resist time. So facing that challenge, this idea, this initiative to do more in conservation, in education, in research, to us to restore and maintain our healthy environment is essential.
Today we are extremely grateful for all the efforts that have been made in different departments by Aruba Conservation Foundation, by the leading voices in our community, because there was a time that everyone else was busy going in one direction and there were voices asking for attention and not necessarily getting the attention. And today, I'm sure those voices, if they're here still or they're above, really appreciates what we're doing here today.